guys, welcome back to the Full Fix channel. Let's say good morning everybody. Good morning everyone. Today I have a special. I would like to share a video. It's gonna be motor belt or drive belt, whatever. And this car is making a lot of noise when I crank it up the first time every morning, and other way when I turn my power steering and left to right, right to left, and making noise a lot. I know because the belt on the drive belt is very loose. Because I got the 2003 Mitsubishi Lancer, and this car is good car, and it's running very good because it's old car. You know, this car have manual. So it's not an automatic. This one is manual. So only 70,000 miles on it. I know because you see the hood right here, the clear coat has come out already. I'm trying to think about it, what to do with the hook, thin up the hook. I think I can order the new piece, or I can go to the junkyard. And most of the time when I do the job, I go to junkyard, you know, get it from junkyard because it's a little bit cheaper. The way that I can save a lot of money, right? So I can I'm trying to do body style, like trying to do, you know, create it a little bit more, replace a new bumper and new hood, headlight, and one more thing, it's gonna be a rear bumper, and it's kind of look a little. I'm trying to do like, you know, a racing car and trying to build us a sport, because inside was look nice and clean, and it is awesome. And okay, let's jump into the motor belt or drive belt, whatever. And now we're gonna open the hood. On the engine bay, I have to do a valve cover gasket. I have to replace it because it's a lot of leaking oil right here. And because this video is gonna be, it's not gonna be supported a valve cover gasket. It's gonna be we're gonna focus to the drive belt, and you can see, right, but it's not getting loose. It's getting loose, and I tied it up a little bit. And if you look at it, this one, it go to the power steering pump, pulley, AC, and crankshaft, pulley. And if you look at it, and the other belt, this one is for the alternator. The alternator is right here, because the belt, if you touch it, it's very loose. And that one is the most, that one is giving me a lot of noise from that belt. So I think I already got it from the AutoZone, and it's cheaper. It cost me only about to, let's say, 40 bucks both, you know. So we're gonna crank it up and see. I'm gonna place my camera here. I would like you guys to see it, because it's gonna be, sounds gonna be crazy. Okay. You guys see it, right? It is, you look at it down the bottom right here, and you see the belt. Look at down the bottom, the alternator belt, and it is not like very loose. I'll show you guys later part number and everything. It is running very good car. I'm trying to add more about the air intake hose. I will think about it. I look at it online. It's just only 30 bucks. You know, replace new air intake and air box. I already check it out. It's cheaper, so I'm trying to get one. I'm trying to create more horsepower. You know, we can add more horsepower, and we can edit a turbo. If we edit turbo right here, that's what I think about it. So I'm not sure yet. Okay, guys, I'm gonna catch you guys a little bit. Here is the part number for the belt, and this one right here, and this one is gonna be the alternator belt. And this one's gonna be crankshaft, pulley, you know, pulley, and power steering pump, AC pump. Is the part number right here. So to do this job, we have to unloose the tensioner right here. It's gonna be down the bottom right there. Okay, 14mm bolt, and all the way back right here for the alternator extension over here, and it's gonna be 12mm bolt. That's all you needed. So we're gonna unloose that one, okay? And we're gonna take it off the belt. Hard to see it, but I try my best, okay? You hold this one of the wrencher on the bottom right here and lose it, okay? Here we go, we got it. And belt's loose and very pretty loose, and we can take it off now. So on the alternator belt, what you need to do is the bolt right here is going to be tensioner bolt right here, and lose it is going to be 12mm bolt, okay? And if you lose that one, it's very easy to come out and lose it. See that? Now you can take it off the belt. Here's the belt. It does look like brand new, but I don't know why it's still making noise too much. It is good, but if you look at it outside over here, I'm not really like it. What we're gonna do is see this one, it fit. Okay, it fit. I'll go over here and we're gonna put the new one. Slide in the belt to the crankshaft pulley. Now we got everything lines up, and we're gonna push the alternator all the way back, right this way. Okay, and make sure to check it out again. Everything is lines up, and what we're gonna do is a 12mm bolt, and we're gonna put this one back inside and tighten it down. Okay, now we finished the alternator belt, and we're gonna move to the crankshaft pulley and power steering pump pulley and AC pulley. We're gonna jump it over here. Now I'm gonna crank back up the car, and we're gonna see how the belt was running, okay? Wow. Now sounds look better before and after, okay? Hey guys, this is Default Fix. Now we are finished replacing a motor belt, a drive belt, and if you guys like it, hit the subscription button and open your notification bell. The way that when I upload the video, you guys gonna receive it as well. Now, this is Default Fix. Peace.